Good morning, dear student. Today, in continuation of financial statement analysis tools related to that one, we are going to understand how can we prepare common size income statement. It can be by mistake income is written here. It will not be there. Common size statement of profit and loss. You have it is a vertical analysis. So the item given here will have to be compared with the this revenue from operations. So revenue from operation, other income is total here. Thereafter expenses you have to write here, then you will got total expenses. So from total revenue, total expenses, you will come on that amount, profit before tax, then apply the rate of tax and you will get profit after tax. Same for the current year, and you have to find out the percent. Which percent you have to write? You have to find out the each component with the reference of revenue. Okay. Now here a question is given. Prepare common size statement of profit and loss from the following information. A question is given. Revenue from operation for the current year is 1 lakh, for the previous year is 75,000. Other income 10,000, 7,500. Purchase of stock in trade 75,000 and 60,000. Changes in inventory of stock in trade 5,000 negative 1,000. Other expenses 1,750. How can you prepare it? If you can remember, you have to first rearrange in the proper format of income statement or statement of profit and loss, isn't it? So come to the solution here. You can see revenue from operation is given here. Okay, and it is given 75,000 and 1 lakh. So here it is 100%. How it is 100%? 100%, 75,000 divided by 75,000 into 100. Here 1 lakh divided by 1 lakh into 100. So it is 100%. Now 7,500 divided by 75,000 is equal to 10%. You can see here. Same 10,000 divided by 1 lakh is 10%. So each component, what I told you, you have to go with the reference of this amount only, revenue from operation. Okay. Now you can see purchase of stock in trade is given here 60,000 for this year. So 60,000 divided by 75,000 is here 80. It is percent. Okay. And changes in inventory of finished goods, you can see here 1,000, again 1,000 divided by 75,000, approximate amount is given here 1.83. Other expenses is given 750, so 750 divided by 75,000, 1% is here. So the total of sum is this minus this is equal to this one, profit before tax, and that is 20,750. You might have observed that in the question it is given the income tax rate is 50%. So you have to find out the income tax of 50% of profit before tax. So you have to find of this value, you have to find out the tax right here and thereafter reduce that. So profit after tax is this amount. Same you have to do with the current year data. You can see revenue from operation is given 1 lakh. So 1 lakh divided by this one, 100%. 10,000 other income, 10,000 divided by 1 lakh is 10% here. Again 75,000 divided by 1 lakh, 75%. 5,000 negative divided by 1 lakh, 5% negative. 1,000 divided by 1 lakh is 1%. So altogether from 1 lakh 10,000, 75,000 you have got 39,000. Then calculate the income tax of this remaining amount, profit before tax, that is here 39,000. And in the given question 50% tax is required to be applied. So it is here 19,500. After deducting 19,500 from 39, you will get this amount. And same percent is here. Every percent has actually been calculated with the reference of this value. If you can, why it is called vertical analysis? Because it go like this. Data are compared like this. Okay. It is not relevant. It is not comparable from other year. That is why it is called vertical analysis. While solving this one, comparative size and common size, you have to keep in only two keywords are there. If you can remember, it will really help you. Common size, vertical analysis, and comparative statement means horizontal analysis. So try to solve these type of question. Keep practicing these things. Till then, goodbye.